Honeydue Budgeting App Review Usage Experience. Links to Honeydue are in the description below. Honeydue is a budgeting app specifically designed for couples, aiming to simplify the process of managing finances together. It's an ideal choice for partners who want a shared platform to track spending, manage bills, and work toward common financial goals. With its user-friendly interface and collaborative features, Honeydue makes budgeting as a couple both easy and transparent. One of the standout features of Honeydue is the ability for both partners to link their bank accounts, credit cards, and other financial accounts, providing a complete picture of their combined finances. The app also allows you to categorize spending and set individual or shared budget goals, making it easy for both users to keep track of their personal and joint expenses. Honeydue helps to avoid confusion by automatically categorizing transactions, though you can manually adjust categories as needed. Honeydue goes a step further by providing a shared calendar for bills and payment reminders, ensuring that both partners stay on top of due dates and avoid late fees. The app also supports transaction comments, which is useful for discussing certain expenses or providing context. Privacy is a priority, so couples can customize which accounts and transactions are visible to each other, ensuring both parties feel comfortable with the level of transparency. Another great feature is the goal-setting tools. Couples can create shared financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or paying down debt, and track their progress in real time. Honeydue's clean design and straightforward navigation make it accessible for users at all financial literacy levels. In summary, Honeydue is perfect for couples who want to keep their finances organized and transparent. It combines functionality with ease of use, ensuring that managing joint finances doesn't become a hassle. For more information, check out the product links in the description below and give Honeydue a try for more effective, collaborative budgeting.